According to the career site Ladders, it is becoming increasingly difficult to find high-paying remote or hybrid jobs. A year ago, 10% of jobs paying $250,000 annually were remote, and 6% were hybrid. Now, only 4% are remote and fewer than 1% are hybrid. Ladders research suggests that securing higher-paying positions now requires greater commitment. John Mullenix, Ladders Director of Growth Marketing, noted that inflationary pressures on wages are affecting more people, with $100,000 no longer considered a high salary by today's standards. Although remote work surged during the COVID-19 pandemic and was predicted to remain prevalent, the availability of such roles has significantly decreased. This shift continues to impact various aspects of work-life balance, environmental benefits, and productivity debates.